Welcome back to another video. I'm out here today fishing with my boys Kenny, Chase, and Steele. I'm gonna be doing some bluegill and bass fishing. It's right before a storm, so hopefully they're active, and stay tuned. I just caught like a 3-pounder or so. Yeah, it's actually pretty damn good. It's probably about 2.5, 3 pounds. Yeah, it's way better than the ones over there. That was my first of the day. That's a healthy fish right there. That was pretty damn quick. Little baby though. I literally just casted. I saw something make a splash over there. Turns out it was this little boy.
What are you throwing?
I'm throwing black and blue. What's this thing called? Brush hog. That's what it's called. Right there. There's a fish. Oh, bluegill. Sweet. Let's go. Here we go. First bluegill of the day on a little paddle tail. Oh, look at that. Yep, I don't like it. Yep. What? No, not really. It was like 6 or 7 inches. Back-to-back cast. Another bluegill. Heck yeah, there we go. That one's a little better. Don't fall now. Much better. Oh, there we go. Yeah, or a little paddle tail. There's my second bluegill of the day. Heck yeah. The one to the right of it wasn't. There's a bluegill. It's a good one. Oh yeah, you were right. My third bluegill of the day. Boom. Look at that. Oh, I still have that pinch barb. I'm surprised I haven't lost more. Well, that's the day of fishing. I caught 2 bass, 3 bluegill, so heck, that won't be too shabby of a video. It's a beautiful night out here on the lake. Well, pond. I mean, there's a thunderstorm back there. Saw a lot of lightning. It was really neat, actually. But we're calling it a day. Might do some catfishing tonight. I don't know. But if not, I'm just gonna hang out and do what boys do. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.